All right, let's show you what's going on. And we have Bobcat Pass, where snow continues to melt up in the higher elevations of northern New Mexico, and that will continue over the weekend because we're going to have very, very warm temperatures out there. So we will thin the snowpack here in our highest elevations, and Bobcat Pass is one of those areas. 61 degrees, west-southwest winds right now at 8 miles an hour, and temperatures continue to stay a little bit on the cool side today, but that starts to change tomorrow. 50s and 60s to the north, down to the south, mainly the 50s and 60s as well, including 64 in Silver City, 62 in Roswell, and 62 in Carlsbad. Looking at what's going on with the satellite and radar, not much. We're spilling a couple of high clouds over into the northern mountains at this hour. Otherwise, there's nothing to speak of weather-wise other than a big ridge of high pressure sitting out to our west, and that will slowly slide over the state. So tonight will be clear with cool conditions once again. Tomorrow will be warmer, still more of a northerly and northwesterly flow, but temperatures start to boost up tomorrow, and then that high goes squarely overhead by Saturday. That will allow for the warm up to continue here, and we'll see the temperatures close to 80 degrees in many areas of the state, if not even warmer than that across the south. Then by Sunday, we start to see some changes. Clouds come back into the western portion of the state, and we'll still see warm conditions, but the winds start to crank up, and we have a chance at a storm for Monday into Tuesday. The question is, what kind of power will that storm pack? And at this point, it looks relatively weak, but we saw some really active weather out to our east yesterday. This is a shot from Tulsa, where they got a nasty tornado yesterday. Got some more tornadoes around the Moore, Oklahoma area as well. And we are starting to head into severe weather season. So we thought we'd take a look on when do we usually see tornadoes here in New Mexico? Well, not usually in March. Since 1950, we've only had 15 tornadoes in March. But notice what happens as we get into May and June. Those are the real bullseye times to see tornadoes in New Mexico, and if we're going to see them, they're much more likely out across the eastern third of the state than anywhere else, but not out of the question to see it in other areas of New Mexico as well. But this gives you a basic idea of what to expect as far as tornado formation goes around our state. 69 in Durango, 67 Pagosa Springs, and 65 in Alamosa. A lot of sunshine next couple of days with warm temperatures. Over to the northwest, mostly sunny skies here, a little bit warmer, and then we'll continue to warm up on Saturday with a high of 77 degrees in Farmington, 68 Camado, Las Cruces in the 70s. Same deal with Alamogordo, TRC, and Socorro. Looking good across the board in these areas. Southeast, plenty of sun with warmer temperatures. Notice, though, the temps start to back off a little bit Sunday into Monday with more cloud cover and the shot at getting that storm in here. Right now, no showers with this system coming through for Monday and Tuesday. Let's wait and see how things shake out over the weekend. 71 in Roy, 71 in Springer, and 70 out in Las Vegas. Cool start and then sunshine. Same deal across the northern mountains. It'll be a little cold to start today, but then a lot of sunshine and more clouds coming in for Sunday into Monday, but a nice weekend for the most part. 69 Edgewood, 73 into Harris, and 72 in Mountain Air. And finally, the metro area, mostly sunny and mild, 72 in the foothills. The Valley, Los Lunas, down through Belen, all going to be in the high 70s. 7-day forecast, we're going to end up in the high 70s here in Albuquerque by Saturday. Sunday looks pretty good as well with a few more clouds and even more cloud cover for Monday, but no showers yet.
Okay, thanks, Mark.